All right, let's look at this algebra question here. So the first step is we are asked to expand and simplify this expression. So let's start off with that. So p minus 2q square minus p into bracket p minus 4q. All right, so let's do our expansion. So this p minus 2q is p minus 2q multiplied by p minus 2q. All right, for this second part of the expression, we have minus p multiplied into p will be minus p square, minus p multiplied by minus 4q is plus 4pq. Alright, so over here what we can do is we can do the expansion. P multiplied by p is p square, p into minus 2q is minus 2pq. Here we have another minus 2pq, and finally we have plus 4q squared. Alright, and we carry on with this minus p square plus 4pq. Alright, now what do you see? We see that there is a plus p square and a minus p square, so this and this will cancel off, correct? Then you also see that there is a minus 4pq, minus 2 and minus 2, and there's a plus 4pq over here. So this and this will cancel out. So what is left is only the plus 4q squared. Alright, so that is the expanded version. Alright, and after we simplify, we get this final expression here, which is 4q squared. Okay, now for the next part here, they said by substituting a suitable value of p and q, find the value of 5310 square minus 5330 times 5290. Alright, so let's write this expression over here. So 5310 square minus 5330 multiplied by 5290. If we compare this expression with what is given, p minus 2q square minus p bracket p minus 4q. Alright, by comparison, alright, we can deduce that p is 5330. Alright, instead of directly comparing p, alright, and saying that it is 5330, alright, so that is what you can see here. What you can also do is you can compare the two other expressions here to find q. Alright, now I'm going to show you both approaches. So the first approach is, if by comparison I deduce that p is 5330, alright, I can equate one of these equations, for example p minus 2q to be equals to, which is 5310, substitute p inside, so 5330 minus 2q is equals to 5310. Alright, and I can shift things around, so 2q will be equals to 20 and q will be equals to 10. Alright, now another approach would be to directly compare this, alright, with 5310 and this expression with 5290. Alright, and you can treat them as simultaneous equations and solve by maybe substitution or elimination. For the simultaneous equations, we can take the first expression here, that is where p minus 2q is equals to 5310, and I can use that to say that p is equals to 2q plus 5310. Alright, and I can take this expression of p and substitute into the second equation. The second equation is given as p minus 4q is equals to 5290. This is the second equation. So this value of p is now substituted inside here. So 2q plus 5310 minus 4q is equals to 5290. So minus 2q will be equals to minus 20 and q will be equals to 10. Alright, so either way you get the same answer, alright, by either directly comparing p and using one of the expressions, or by using simultaneous equations and then solving for q. Alright, once you get the value of q, all you need to do is, we know that this entire expression can actually be simplified to just 4q square. So this expression here, alright, can be solved directly by substituting 4q, which is 10 square. So 4 times 10 square, which is 100, will give you 400. Alright, so that is the final answer for this question here. Alright, so I hope that with this question you have a good idea how to use expansion and simplification together with comparison, alright, to solve such a question. Alright, thank you. Bye.